One of the most delicate parts of any vehicle is its dashboard. Have you thought of that? MA-FRA has. Plastic interior parts, in particular dashboard plastic, is subject to stress due to temperature and solar rays. In the summer, plastic lightens and deteriorates, while in winter, it hardens and, if not protected, cracks. The solution? Plastic treatment by MA-FRA. Plastic treatment guarantees a lively, natural, and bright dashboard, a deep black color. I can use it as often as I want thanks to the convenient, no-gas packaging. Plastic treatment is easy to use. Just wipe it on with a microfiber cloth. The product cleans and seals the pores on the dashboard and, thanks to its beeswax, cares for and protects against fading. Plastic treatment by MA-FRA is delicately scented and never greasy. It always leaves the dashboard surface smooth to touch, and thanks to its anti-static action, gathers less dust. All the plastic parts of your car will be clean and protected. It just takes a few minutes. Very often, the market offers two types of products: opaque or shiny. Shiny products usually have a very greasy effect and create an annoying reflection on the windscreen. This isn't exactly ideal when driving. Instead, those with a satin finish have no effect on the dashboard and give an immediate sensation of dullness and fading. Instead, MA-FRA has created a product capable of combining these two philosophies, reviving plastic and giving a perfect finish. Used regularly, plastic treatment is a real anti-aging treatment for your dashboard and any other plastic parts in your car. As with all MA-FRA products, plastic treatment was designed for easy and fast use and to give maximum performance over time. This product was developed for professionals, but is now available to all. You can easily find this product in the best retail shops. For further details on plastic treatment, as well as on all other products by MA-FRA, please send an email to info@mafra.it. Try it. You'll thank me.